Hi, first grade. This is Miss Wingard. See if you can find me down in the corner of your screen. There we go. So for this activity, this is called Roll a Shape. You just need a dot die, and you're going to be using the Geoboard app that is on your dashboard. So on the slide, you're going to see this chart, and it has 1 through 6 on the die, and then it says rolls 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to roll my die 3 times to figure out which 3 shapes I'm going to use to make my composite shape. So I'm going to go ahead and roll. I rolled a 1. So I'm going to be using a triangle. So let me write that down, a triangle. I'll roll again. This time I got a 3. So I'm going to be using the square, triangle, square, and I'll roll one more time, and this time I got a 4. So I'm going to also be using the hexagon. So I'm going to use the triangle, square, and hexagon to make a composite shape. The way to do that is you're going to go to your dashboard and you're going to click on Geoboard. It might look a little bit different on your screen, so I'm going to click Geoboard. And now this looks very similar to the geoboards that we use in school. So down here, I might need to make the grid a little bit bigger, but it's up to you. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this. I can choose the color band that I wanna use. So I'm gonna use red. The first shape that I rolled was a triangle, so I'm gonna go ahead and make that. Drag it here. All right. I also rolled a square, and I think I'm going to do the square in blue. So when I make my composite shapes, I need to make sure that I don't have any spaces, that everything is combined. So I'm going to do my square here and drag this down. Awesome. And the last shape was the hexagon. So let me go ahead and do yellow for the hexagon. All right, let's give this a try. I'm gonna do something like this, take it up. See, I can do this. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go, we have a hexagon. So altogether, these 3 shapes combined made a new composite shape. Whenever you want to start over and roll 3 times and make a new composite shape, you'll just hit this button here, and then it says start over. Do you want to clear all your work? And I'm going to say yes. All right, you're all done, you're ready to go. I hope you enjoy the activity. Bye, first grade.